When new features on social media platforms are released, social media marketers typically try to figure out how much it will cost them to use them and what the benefits will be for their brand. They must determine whether the cost of learning how to use a new feature is justified, and whether it will result in increased engagement and sales. Instagram Guides is a new tool that allows you to share information and recommendations with your followers. When you make a guide, you're effectively making a blog post that's made up of other Instagram posts but is integrated into the Instagram platform. For different firms, growth can take several forms. The growth objectives are determined by the brand's objectives and the content strategy's purpose. Setting measurable goals is critical when trying to expand your brand. This will keep you on track and allow you to post efficiently. It's not enough to just publish, you need to post efficiently as well. On Instagram, growth can take numerous forms. Follower growth is one of the most common growth metrics. So, you'd like to increase your total number of followers. When doing so, keep in mind the distinction between the number of followers and the number of engaged followers. Instagram Guides development is similar to that of other categories and post kinds. The fundamental theoretical understandings and principles of growth are the same. Instagram Guides are divided into 3 categories: destinations, items, and posts. Make your own rules and stand out. Because Instagram Guides is such a new product, there are no rules or expected posts. This implies that you are in charge of establishing the rules. Once your audience has come to expect a certain type of post, the bar for quality rises dramatically. Because those are the things that work, there are so many characteristics of postings that are regularly duplicated across multiple accounts. Increasing the visibility of your content. The best method to expand your audience is to be able to advertise your material. The first is to promote your content using Instagram Guides, and the second is to promote your guide. You'll be able to gain insights into the product you're selling on Instagram by using the product guide. People frequently want to learn more about a product before purchasing it, so developing a guide to your items is a wonderful approach to teach them more. It could mean the difference between a successful transaction and a failed one. Anything you can do to assist in the creation of your items is beneficial and will help you expand your audience. It will also aid in the expansion of your company and the conversion of views into purchases. If your company has a physical presence, the place guide is an excellent method to promote it. You may include a guide into many various aspects of your business, and it can be a powerful tool for delivering your brand's message to your target audience. You can publish educational content about aspects of your business and make it simple for your audience to spread the word about your brand to their friends and family. You're also successfully advertising your material by putting it in the posts guide. Having your own post in your guides, whether it's totally made up of your own posts or a collection of many different users' posts, is a promotion of your material. If your article gets included in another user's guide, it is an easy way to promote your work. These 3 types of guides, items, places, and posts, all have unique yet powerful implications for expanding your audience and business. When it comes to promoting the Instagram guide itself, you have a few options. But, for the most part, you'll be reliant on stocks. You should share your stories on social media and encourage your followers to do the same. Instagram guides will eventually appear on the Explore page, but you'll have to promote them organically until then. Promoting your general content will help to promote your guides as well. Adding geographical geotags to your normal feed post with hashtags is a great method to do this. Leave a link to your guide in your caption to guide your viewers to your profile and the guide. Implementing sponsored posts, for example, is a terrific approach to reach new audience members. If you operate an Instagram shop or a business with a physical presence, Instagram ads will be especially useful. Essentially, you must be able to advertise your content, which includes all types of material. The initial step should be to get people to visit your profile, followed by providing such high-quality content that your audience can't help but click the follow button. It should be simple and straightforward to understand what your company is all about on your page, which leads us to branding. Creating Instagram guides is a fantastic method to improve your branding and expand your business. Growth necessitates the use of branding. Branding is the image of your company that your target audience has of you. Your brand must take into account the demands and desires of your target audience, as well as being relevant for your content. Raising brand awareness, developing brand recognition, and lastly creating brand loyalty are all common components of branding strategy. Instagram guides will give your brand a new depth. Instagram guides are a great way to establish yourself as an authority, and they're one of the most important aspects of marketing and branding. Your audience must have faith in you and feel that you are a trustworthy source of information. Given the abundance of fake and spam accounts on the internet, you must do all possible to convince your audience that you are genuine and important. Make sure your account is set up as a business profile as well. This gives a sense of professionalism to the situation. Because appearances are everything on social media, you should take advantage of any opportunity to promote your brand. Because only brands succeed, this will assist you in growing. Various business accounts get lost in the shuffle and are neglected. Branding is essential for growth because it promotes clarity and professionalism. Instagram guides are a great way to give your posts more substance. You can add additional detail to themes that you've already published on your feed by expanding on your material. In a guide, grouping your entries by subject or theme is a terrific approach to point your audience to a specific area of your knowledge. Creating guides based on certain ideas and topics is a great approach to show your audience what you have to offer them beyond simple feed articles. Because viewers don't desire surface-level content, this will help you grow. They want to know who they're supporting and feel like they're a part of the process. Users are exposed to thousands of businesses on a regular basis, but they want to interact with them instead. Instagram introduced guides, to make it easier for users to share and receive recommendations, tips, and information. This allows you to establish a stronger connection with your audience. It's a great approach to boost your branding, and be able to provide additional information, whether it's about items, places, or topics. Whether you want to augment your own postings with those from other users or not, you'll still be able to achieve your branding objectives. Other users are more likely to share your posts, exposing your work to new audiences. However, you can add depth to your material and develop your business by being picky about the content you post and only share contents from respected businesses with a following that is similar to your target audience. Instagram guides are also a fantastic method to work with new and interesting accounts. It's a great approach to develop your network of connections because you may add posts from any person to your guides. One of the most enjoyable aspects of Instagram is collaboration. The ability to collaborate on materials with another user is an excellent method to strengthen both of your businesses. Creating guides for various types of businesses, such as cafes, second-hand stores, high-end stores, small businesses, cellar doors, and pizza restaurants, could lead to sponsorship opportunities. Businesses aim to advertise themselves through people and brands that they respect and that their target audience respects. As a result, if you've successfully employed guides in the past and established yourself as an authority and a trendsetter, it's feasible that businesses will want to cooperate with you in order to build their audience, which will in turn grow yours. Collaborations are very popular among users. They frequently trust the brands that their favorite brands promote on social media. Finding innovative and engaging collaboration possibilities is a terrific approach to expand your audience. Guides are an excellent and simple approach to work with new users. Your entries may also be included in other guides once you've established a good reputation and incorporated your content into the larger community. This will increase the number of individuals who see your account, resulting in more followers and overall brand growth. In general, Instagram guides open up a slew of new growth options. Instagram guides are an excellent method to expand your following. But it's equally critical that you don't overlook your tried and true growth strategies. If you've found success in one area, keep doing what you're doing. New ventures, on the other hand, can complement your existing tactics but should not, at least at first, overpower them. In essence, the only way to tell if something will work is to give it a shot. You'll need to keep an eye on your analytics to discover which strategies are delivering outcomes that are in accordance with your business objectives. Check your engagement, analytics, and insights using built-in and third-party tools, and measure and quantify what you're doing and how it's helping your brand achieve the outcomes you desire. Instagram guides are a brand new tool that you can utilize to expand your business. Take advantage of the chance to establish yourself as a reliable source of knowledge and a valuable industry resource, and watch your brand develop.